Good morning. We're going to the Early Bird restaurant located in Fullerton, just off of Bass and Cherry and Brea Boulevard. Okay.
Great, thanks for meeting us.
And what's your name?
My name is Kasha.
Kasha, okay. Thanks. And what did you order?
3 eggs over medium.
So boring. And what'd you order?
3 eggs over medium, but the early bird does get a worm.
Okay. Here we go. Now what am I getting here?
It's the Eastwood omelet.
Eastwood omelet. Oh, that looks so good. Ooh.
Don't want anything to fall off the plate for you. There you are.
And what else you got
And
there?
the 3 eggs over medium for both the gentlemen over here. That's with hash browns. This is sliced tomatoes.
Look at that work of art.
Thanks. You guys need more coffee or anything at the moment?
Sure. You don't want water.
Oh, water, please.
I'll be right back. Can I get your cup for you, sir, to refill your coffee?
Good. Good. What would you say on a rated 1 to 5, 5 being best?
I would give it a 5.
Would you?
Gotta give it a 5.
You said the bacon was extra good.
The bacon is crispy, very flavorful, and thick.
And then what'd you get? Just a regular egg?
Eggs over medium.
George, have you taken a bite yet?
With the hash browns. They're cheesy hash browns. They're delicious.
Okay, 1 to 5, 5 being?
5.
Okay, so we've got a 5-star rating right here. Okay, let's see what the damage is. Coffees, bacon, and eggs. 3 people, $33.40. Okay. Would you say that was worth it?
It's definitely worth it. Very, very good. Excellent.
Georgie?
Yes, it was. Very good.
And the price?
Cheesy hash brown. Delicious.
The price.
Oh, yes. Still a 5 in my book.
Thank you, George.
You're welcome.
George Lowe, right?
That's right.
George Lowe and Associates.
And what's the name of your business?
Right little flooring company. Specializing in any type of floor company.
And of course, my business too is also very.
Okay, and your business is?
My business is Danny K's Billiards and Sports Bar in Orange. 10,000 square feet of
Of new carpeting.